Hey, what's good, everyone? So today is what, April 20th? What's today?
The birthday.
Who birthday?
I'm Shia birthday.
So today is Sia's birthday. So how old are we today, Sia?
I'm Shia.
We 3. We 3 years old. So
Yes.
today your birthday and today grandma's birthday. So right now, we were gonna order a pizza, but Blackbird don't open up till like 4:30. Open up all late, and I think they closed at 4:30. So, Sia, you wanna make some pizza?
Yes.
So we gonna make some pizza today. We're gonna have her in the kitchen with me making some pizza.
Yes.
All right, so yeah, let's get to it. So right now, Sia and I, we about to make some pizza. What we about to do?
Make some pizza.
So say what you want to say to everybody.
Say hi.
Hi. So we got that Royal Life cheese.
Yeah, guys, I'm gonna make some pizza with my friends.
And this is an easier pizza dough for Sia to make. So we got this from Giants Heirlooms. So if you have heirlooms or Giants in your area, you should pick this up right here. It's vegan. You can make some pizza with your kids. All you need is some cheese, some pizza dough, and some pizza sauce, right?
Right.
2 times, 1, 2.
And it's my crown.
With your crown, that's on your head too, right? So, about to make some roll out this dough, guys. So, let's get started.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you can make some pizza.
Pizza. All right, so now our hands are all clean, right?
Right.
What was we singing in there? Wash my hands, wash my hands, wash my hands, wash my hands every morning, every night. Wash my hands with all my might. Good job, 2 times. You just made it up just like 10 seconds ago, literally. So took the piece of dough out, about to open it up. Then I'm gonna have her roll it out. It's her first time doing it, so we'll see exactly how she do.
Okay, 10 minutes.
So Chris just came out of nowhere. He wanted, help too, So I never made this pizza using this pizza dough, but we're gonna give it a try.
Wow!
Pizza. Pizza.
That kind of feels like poop.
Kind of like what?
That kind of feels like poop. It's white.
Yeah, some big poop then if it is. But anyhow, so I'm gonna roll it and then after I roll it.
Yummy!
Pizza. Hold on, let me take this out real quick. Pizza.
Daddy?
Yep.
It's tomato.
Yeah, that's what? What's this?
It's tomato.
Tomato. Got some tomato sauce. So your daddy never made this before, but I'm guessing you just unroll this, John. So what I need you to do, right? I'm gonna tell you what to do. I'm gonna let her do a little bit, and then you do a little bit.
Daddy, yummy! I want to eat it.
I know. What you wanted? You want a pizza for your birthday, didn't you?
Yes.
Pizza store is wrong right now. They open all late, like I was saying.
Is this your pizza for your
So look,
birthday?
so that's all I want you to do. Just unroll it like this. Pull it back like that. You want to roll it. So do it nice and soft. Pull it, go ahead. Grip it up like this. Keep doing it. Keep pulling it back.
I can't want it.
Keep going. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, pizza.
Whoa. So
Fine.
then you gotta
Hand dirty.
your hands. That's fine. That's what happens when you cooking. When you cooking, right? Your hands get dirty. So let me see. I got the pizza roller.
Yeah. Pizza rolling.
We got the pizza roller.
Too.
Oh, they got. So you got the pizza roller. Way different.
Daddy,
Working
be
at
careful.
I am gonna be careful, right? I don't want to mess your pizza up. I can do it.
So you can make it even longer.
Yeah, so make it bigger.
So I'll be making the bigger one like this part.
Yeah, and make it like that part, exactly.
Wow. And make it
Huh?
the shaft. How you can make it?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's so big.
It's my first time using this.
It's a big, Daddy.
I'm trying. You want to roll it? Let's roll it.
Yeah.
Let her do it first and then you do it. So just roll it. Go ahead. Roll it.
Pizza.
And roll back here. Move some more like this. Come here. Like that. Yeah. Alright.
Pizza.
Pizza.
I love pizza.
You gonna let Chris get a chance?
Yes.
Let's stand right here next to me. Let Chris come up.
Daddy.
Right here.
It's by me.
I know he's gonna try a little bit.
You'll probably like good enough then.
Alright, let me turn it around. Let me turn it around. Thank you.
Oh.
Yep, because trying to be a grown man already. I see you.
Peace, Daddy.
Alright, so let me see.
This how you do it.
I worked at Pizza Hut for like 1 month as a manager over the summertime after I lost my gig at Whole Foods. Can we get back up here? Let's get back here. Ah, birthday girl. Birthday girl. She's back.
Hey, wait, you always did.
You remember I worked at the pizza store in the corner?
Yes, but you always did one time. I thought you did more than that.
No, I said a month.
A month. The pizza bigger, Daddy.
Yeah, the pizza would get bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
And pizza Hut was way easier to roll out the dough.
You almost done, Daddy.
I'm almost done.
Yes. It's giant.
I didn't really know directions. Hey.
This pizza is even bigger than the other pizza we just ate. Daddy, I love making pizza with you.
You love making pizza with me? We gotta do more then. We're gonna put the pizza sauce on next.
Yeah, the pizza
Fresh
and
dough.
the oven.
Yeah, put it right in the oven. Ain't nobody fresh like tea. I'm just so fresh. So.
Hey guys, we're making pizza.
Good girl. Say, hey guys, we're making pizza.
Okay, guys, Daddy wrote it and that's what she shows it. Don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about. 2 times. 1, 2. My baby, she ready. She ready for this. She was born to be a star, right?
Like,
Alright, you a superstar?
yes. Look, you want to get that, Daddy?
Yeah, I gotta do this one first. You know, patience.
It's that, guys. It's good to make the pizza, guys. Just to make the pizza right here, guys. In my bag. This not hit me.
He got it.
It hit me.
Of course he didn't hit you.
Okay. I love Richie.
Richie is her other brother.
Yes.
So whenever y'all hear her say, I love Richie, that's what she's talking about.
That's what you mean, awesome. The pizza awesome. You like me too? Yes. I love you. Yes. You, it's a pizza. But what about mom if you're hungry? Daddy.
Huh?
My uncle.
Yeah, I know. Mark your uncle, exactly, yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, y'all gotta bear with me. Like again, my first time using this dough. And it's like square.
Yeah.
Last time Tina made this, y'all. But you know, I'm trying to decide when to mix the pizza together. So.
That's the big. That's the 5. I'm gonna try 5.
And you know,
5.
side right here, kind of in the way.
Cause I'm making pizza.
You making pizza, yeah?
Wow.
What we making? Ah.
Yeah, pizza. I'm making pizza.
What you wanna be? What you wanna be when you get older?
12.
No, which one to be? Remember? What you got for your birthday?
Cake.
Huh? What else you got?
Some pizza.
You got cake, pizza, whatever. The doctor makes stuffing?
Yes, that's definitely on the island.
You high?
Yes. The doctors, because I'm making pizza with you. It's bigger.
It's bigger.
Yay.
I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying.
Yeah, please specify that too. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Huh?
Don't eat it. You see how I did that people? Huh?
If I could make a heart-shaped pizza, I would make that, John. A heart-shaped pizza.
Don't make it.
Yeah, of course.
Don't make it.
Who birthday is it?
Make that. Don't make that.
Don't make that? Why not?
Please make the pizza.
Whoa, Daddy rolled that by mistake.
Daddy, Mommy,
Again?
that's so big.
I do the speaking, Tina be doing the cooking, so. But I be in here, I try to. Trust me, I be in here.
Daddy, ooh, that's so big. I know that big. That's Daddy.
No, your hands on the Tina's mouth. Maybe the next one.
Whoa, pizza. Daddy,
Hmm?
eat the pizza.
Huh?
Let's have the pizza.
Yeah. I'll let y'all put the cheese on it.
Yeah. No cheese.
I wonder how people put cheese on it. Oh, but that tomato sauce, that's how you...
That is the cheese. Wow, tomatoes.
Y'all put it on too?
I'll let you put the cheese on.
Wow, Daddy.
Huh?
Tomatoes. Good.
Tomatoes good for you.
So if
The real ones. You know, different kind of tomatoes. Y'all gonna learn that. All
It's
tomatoes.
yummy.
All tomatoes aren't real.
So this one
Daddy,
is
she's
good.
right here.
See, don't really be specific when you got tomatoes in a jar. That's why it's better to make your own
Yes, don't
tomatoes.
eat the cheese.
Yeah, it's better to get your own tomatoes.
So you can make your own.
You can grow them.
Yeah. Wow, that's how you make your own.
Daddy,
Hmm?
I want to do that.
You wanna do this? I was gonna let you put the cheese on.
I'll be careful.
You gonna be careful?
Yeah.
Alright, be careful.
Yeah, be careful too, but
Hold it like this. Alright. It's a side piece over here. Yeah, keep going. Good girl.
Piece.
Let me finish it up a little bit.
that was the last piece of it.
That was alright. That was a good job.
Yeah.
That is like,
Yeah. I make the piece on my hand.
You got a piece in your hand?
Yes.
Mommy,
Daddy.
yeah.
This?
Huh?
Yeah. Why is my son?
Huh?
My son.
Y'all got a mama pizza. I don't need.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm being careful. So we got cut off by a call.
Yes, because we got the cheese.
We got the cheese right now. Got some cheddar cheese by
Yes,
BioLife.
because we're going to make it.
We should make our own
Alright, man,
cheese.
get a little bit, put it on there. You can put more than that. You gotta get a handful. Let me show you like this.
Did I do it too?
Yeah, let her do it, then you do it, then I do it, and then yeah, like that.
Okay, let me get pizza.
It's my first time doing it.
First time people, yeah.
I remember when I used to make a
Let
cake.
Chris do it a little bit.
Where's some pizza?
Uh-huh.
Pizza.
Make sure you wanna get it around. Let it.
Daddy,
You wanna drizzle on her like this.
Wow, pizza!
You do like that. That's how I say get like a handful and drizzle like this.
Yeah, pizza. Cause it's Daddy make it like me, cause
Put a little more cheese on it. This is a side pizza. She made it. So you gonna eat all your pizza that you made?
yes,
Uh-huh.
Yes, me too.
You like making pizza?
yes.
Yeah,
Put some cheese right there, Chris.
It's my first time because
Yeah, all our first time.
well,
There you go.
I remember making a cake with mommy.
You're making cake with mom.
Yeah, but
Dad, I make cake with
when
mommy too.
when I eat it, my stomach was hurting. I don't know why, but what happened to the cake, but my stomach was hurting. So,
Daddy should eat all the cake cause it doesn't cook.
You
yeah,
did?
that was a long time ago. It wasn't my birthday, any birthday. It was a long time ago.
So
I've been mad, Daddy.
this what the side pizza look like at the end.
Cause the pizza is good.
It look good, like she
Yeah.
said. Good.
It's so good.
So what we about to do right now? We're about to put it in the oven, 425 degrees for like 15 minutes.
Yes, it's been one day. Cause I like to make some pizza.
Pizza, exactly. So put it in for 15 minutes.
I give you
When we get back, we'll make the second one. So what you think about your pizza?
It's cheese right here.
The cheese, you think it look good?
Yes.
How many is there?
2, 1.
1, 2 pizza, right?
Right? Cause I can eat the cake cause it's for dinner.
Yeah, cake is after your dinner, right?
Right? That's
Walk around with my hat on.
Yes.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna make it.
Last we got
This is
that.
the pizza that me and Sai made. So I cut the first one up.
And that got me.
Wait, let me see you blow it. Everybody know you can do it.
I think it worked.
Do it, try it again. Don't never give up. Keep going. Do it harder.
I need that.
Try it one more time. Come on, you can do it. Team, you can do it.
Upside down.
Come on, you can do it. Almost. Alright guys, I'm about to cut this pizza right here. Then we're gonna start eating. After we eat, then we're gonna say happy birthday. So
Happy birthday.
Whole Foods wasn't making cakes. They only had pre-baked cakes, and luckily it was a cake that she actually wanted too. She asked for a chocolate cake, and they had it. So cut this piece up and get this up. Get it. Go ahead. Let me see you get it. Good. Let me see you try to get it. Let me see you get it. So TJ get it. TJ, mira.
The fingers.
You gotta be there for your mouth, TJ. My big girl. She's the first one to do it.
Mama cake, please.
You cake right here. We're gonna get the cake in a minute. Just open that little bacon, get a little sneak peek. Say happy birthday. You ready to say happy birthday to you, son? Y'all ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to Saya. Happy birthday to Saya. Happy birthday, dear Saya. Happy birthday to you. How
Looking for it.
How old are you?
What's that?
How many numbers is it?
5.
3.
D.
I'm 3. Say you 3.
I'm D.
I'm 3 years old.
I can
You
run the
3
camera.
years old. You 3 years. Vente, ahora. You ready to blow it up?
Yes. I can.
Come on.
Happy birthday, Pushaya! Yummy, yummy, yummy
Yeah, we
cake.
still have time to
Yummy, yummy
about to cut
cake.
this on right
Yummy,
now.
yummy cake. Yummy, yummy cake.
What is it?
Yummy, yummy cake.
Oh, watch the, yeah.
The cake.
The cake, say yummy, yummy cake.
Yummy, yummy cake.
Hopefully mommy gonna, this
Yummy
up
on my
good,
tummy.
but we about to cut this cake up.
Yes.
Happy 3rd birthday, Saya.
What?
Stop running.
It's a cake, Daddy. No.
I know the cake. Hey, what's good, everyone? So yesterday, with everything that was going on, I forgot to end our vlog. You know, with Saya's birthday. How you like your birthday yesterday, Saya?
Because I can pay the puppy on my.
Did you like it?
Yes.
So we made some pizza.
Yes.
Yeah, woo! I got it for you. You gonna do this for help? There you go.
I have my puppy.
She got a little puppy.
Yes. Because my puppy right here, because it's so beautiful.
It's beautiful. So thanks for watching this vlog.
Guys, bye.
Bye. And like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.
Bye.